pag nag-enter kami ng information, so kunwari you come here, then you enter. In big campuses, hindi na kami kailangan tawagan. So once na-enter yung information, mag-notify siya sa amin like the visitor is here. So we go to the reception to come and get. Although kayo, nire-register na namin. So we don't go through that. So it's using our products of course, also yung AppSheet namin, yung integration with Gmail, and the notifications sa chat also. And then our reception also helps us notify. And then may flag dito kung magla-lunch ba kayo or ganyan para ma-notify yung food team na kasama kayo doon sa camp.
So automatically,
Sa food
like,
stamp.
like if you have 2 guests per month, that's free. Pero if you do beyond, it gets charged to our cost itself. Tapos it's badge enabled, so we just put in our badge to check yung mga visitors. Then we normally print in advance, especially if it's a big group. So hindi na kayo kailangan pumunta.
Gusto nyo mag-lunch, sabihin nyo lang sa amin. Monthly, 2